Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text into shape in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now I am create a page. Then we can see here the InDesign interface. You want to make text into any shape, you can go to the tools section and select the shape drop down menu. Here ellipse, polygon and rectangle. Now I am select the ellipse tool. Then draw the ellipse. Then select the text tool and click inside the shape. Click right button and make this fill with placeholder text, and we can see we make the shape as a text. Otherwise you can create a custom shape. Now I am select the pen tool and create a custom shape. Then select the move tool and click the text tool, click inside the shape. Then click right button again and make this fill with placeholder text. Then select the move tool. You can see we make the text to shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.